How to make thumbnails for YouTube videos. This is exactly what we will learn in today's video. Thumbnails are the most crucial part to connect with your viewers. A great thumbnail can increase your views and significantly increase your subscribers. You don't need a fancy design software to make stunning thumbnails for your YouTube videos. If you don't already know about Canva, trust me, you are in for a treat. By the end of this video, I will show you how to use the resources on Canva to make an awesome thumbnail for your YouTube videos that gets you a lot of viewers as well as your subscribers. Hey everybody, welcome to 52 weeks, and in this video I will be giving you some important tips for designing effective thumbnails. This is a step-by-step tutorial to design the best looking thumbnails. Doing it by yourself is the best way to learn. I am sharing the link in the description box for Canva, and I suggest you to follow each step as I tell you. Once you enter on Canva, this is where you land in. As you can see, Canva is a very powerful design tool because you can create a lot of social media creatives using this tool itself. If you have not spent enough time on Canva, I would personally suggest you to spend time on Canva. In today's video, we're going to learn about how to make YouTube thumbnails. So all I have to do is go on the search bar and search for YouTube thumbnail. The moment you press enter, it will show you a lot of existing designs which are already here on Canva. As you can see, there are so many different formats of thumbnails that you can easily pick and start editing. There are multiple ways to do about it. So one way is that you pick any of these existing designs and make some changes to it, or you create a brand new thumbnail. So I'm going to create a brand new thumbnail, the one exactly that I have put on my video itself. So I'm going to go ahead with create a blank YouTube thumbnail. Once you are here, it is very important for you to know that what all things can you do on Canva and how do you go about it. So on the left side, it shows you templates, elements, text, styles, etc, etc. So I'm going to give you a brief about what all things you can do using these templates. So all you have to do is search for any keyword or a theme that you're looking at. So I have searched for calm, and you can see that Canva is giving me a lot of inspirational ideas that I can possibly use. If you are looking for any specific object or a particular figure that you want, all you have to do is go on elements and search that specific keyword, and it will give you a lot of ideas that you can automatically use it. Now that your basics are clear, let's see how I go about making my own thumbnails. So what I usually do is I go on the home page where there are a lot of templates are already there. I'll just open few of them because inspiration is exactly what I'm looking at, and by going through these templates I can easily pick and drop the best combination that I am looking at. So for this particular template, I really like this face because it has a lot of emotions. The background color is very attractive, it's very bright. Usually for any good thumbnails, the strategy which I follow is that I ensure that the background is pretty bright. Plus, the image that I'm putting on should have some emotions. And the reason why I really focus on emotions is because humans tend to connect with emotional faces and emotional messages. Once this thumbnail is here, and I want the background of it, so what I'm going to do, I'm just going to press right click on this image and detach image background from here. So now I have the background with me, and I'll go to my basic thumbnail, the blank thumbnail, and I'm just going to expand this thing so that I get my background ready. Now my background is ready. I want to pick this face, so I'll just copy this and go here and paste it. Voila. So my image is here. The emotional image is here, the background is here, and I just need to add these things. So I just have to select all of them, copy them, and just paste it here. Did not take me more than 2 minutes, and my thumbnail is looking to get ready very quickly.